Hello and welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life. Have you ever spent weeks exercising, eating healthy, and avoiding your favorite treats, only to step on the weighing scale and discover that the number hasn't changed? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that the scale isn't telling you the whole story? Today we're exploring one of the biggest misconceptions in health and fitness. Is being fit more important than losing weight? Or should weight loss always be your primary goal? The answer might completely change the way you think about your health. In this video, we'll uncover the real difference between fitness and weight loss, understand why millions of people chase the wrong goal, and discover what truly leads to a healthier, happier, and longer life. And if you'd like a deeper understanding with additional insights, scientific explanations, and practical tips, don't forget to visit our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's begin. Imagine two people. Both started exercising exactly 3 months ago. The first person loses 5 kilograms. The second person loses only 1 kilogram. So, who achieved the better result? Most of us would immediately choose the first person. But here's the surprising truth. The second person may actually be healthier. Why? Because the weighing scale only tells you how heavy you are. It doesn't reveal how strong you've become, how much body fat you've lost, or how much muscle you've gained. If you've been disappointed because the scale refuses to move, don't lose heart. Today you're going to discover why that little machine on your bathroom floor might be telling only half the story. Let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding in health and fitness. Weight loss is simply a reduction in your total body weight. That's all. It doesn't tell you whether you've lost fat, muscle, or even just water. Fitness, however, is something completely different. It's about how efficiently your heart works, how strong your muscles are, how flexible your joints remain, and how much energy your body has to enjoy life. Think of it this way. Weight is just a number. Fitness is a measure of what your body can actually do. And that's a far more meaningful indicator of your health. Here's something fascinating. Research has consistently shown that people who are physically fit often live longer, even if they don't have the perfect body weight. Regular exercise strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, protects your bones, and keeps your muscles active as you age. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise also boosts mood, reduces stress, improves sleep, sharpens memory, and builds emotional resilience. That's why fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about living better. Every workout is an investment in the future version of yourself. Now, does this mean weight loss doesn't matter? Not at all. For people carrying excess abdominal fat or dealing with conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, sleep apnea, or joint pain, even losing 5 to 10% of body weight can produce remarkable health improvements. The key is how that weight is lost. Crash diets may produce quick results, but they often lead to muscle loss, nutritional deficiencies, slower metabolism, and eventually regaining the weight. Sustainable weight loss is never about starving yourself. It's about building healthier habits that last a lifetime. One of the biggest mistakes people make is becoming obsessed with the weighing scale. Here's why. Muscle is denser than fat. As you become stronger, you may actually gain a little weight while losing inches around your waist. Many people fit into smaller clothes even though the scale barely changes. That's why relying on weight alone can be incredibly misleading. Instead, pay attention to your energy levels, your strength, your stamina, and how confidently you move through everyday life. Those are the real signs that your body is becoming healthier. Fitness and weight loss are not competitors, they're partners. Strength training builds muscle, and muscle burns more calories even while you're resting. Regular exercise improves sleep, balances hunger hormones, and makes it easier to maintain healthy eating habits. Over time, people who focus on becoming stronger and fitter often achieve healthier body weights naturally. Ironically, when you stop chasing the scale often starts moving in the right direction. So what should you focus on? Instead of asking, how many kilograms do I want to lose? Ask yourself, how healthy do I want to become? Maybe your goal is climbing stairs without getting breathless, running your first 5-kilometer race, playing with your grandchildren without feeling exhausted, or simply waking up every morning with more energy than yesterday. Those are the victories that truly transform your life. When fitness becomes your priority, weight often takes care of itself. Don't let a number on the weighing scale define your success. Your strength, your endurance, your energy, your confidence, and your overall well-being tell a much bigger story. Remember, real health isn't built through quick fixes or crash diets. It's built through small, consistent choices that you make every single day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to Variety is the Spice of Life. On this channel, we explore a wide range of topics, from fitness and nutrition to astrology, inspiring life stories, delicious vegetarian recipes, and practical ideas to help you live a healthier, happier, and more meaningful life. For an in depth version of today's topic, along with additional insights and practical tips, don't forget to visit our blog. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay active, stay positive, keep learning, and remember, variety truly is the spice of life.